You will probably need a magnifying glass to spot the changes Mazda has done to its European-spec Mazda6 Touring, but why mess with perfection? The midsize premium wagon is hands down one of the most beautiful models in its segment that money can buy, so it makes perfect sense the Zoom company has not messed around with the winning recipe. Originally introduced as a sedan at the Los Angeles Auto Show last November, the mid-cycle refresh for the firm flagship model will be traveling to the Geneva Motor Show for its European debut in both sedan and wagon flavors. Beyond the styling tweaks seen on its North American cousin, the refreshed Mazda 6 for Europe will also benefit from reduced noise, vibration, and harshness levels to provide a more refined interior cabin. Not only that, but aerodynamic efficiency will also be improved and new safety kit will be added, including an intelligent speed assist system and a 360-degree monitoring. Also in Geneva, Mazda will showcase its groundbreaking engine benefiting from the company proprietary spark-controlled compression ignition. Mazda is proud to say it's going to be the first commercially available gasoline engine to feature compression ignition to combine the benefits of a diesel engine like fuel economy and initial response with the lower emissions and higher RPM of a gasoline unit. Although exact technical specifications and when it will be effectively launched have not been disclosed, Mazda has previously said the Ski-Active X will boost fuel efficiency by as much as 30% while increasing torque by up to 20%. It has been engineered to work with both a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic to please both worlds, and our ride in a Mazda 3 prototype has shown it feels quicker than the current 2.0-liter. Particularly at low engine speeds. We will have full details on March 6 when the updated Mazda 6 sedan and wagon for the European market will debut in Geneva, where the two will share the spotlight with the stunning Vision Coupe and Kai concepts. It will be interesting to see whether the new turbocharged 2.5-liter powering the North American model, where it pumps out 250 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, will find its way inside the Euro model. Though we wouldn't get our hopes up too high just yet,